Defining a flat pattern representation of a sheet metal part is improved and simplified with Creo parametric 5.0. When the flat pattern preview is shown, you can create a flat representation of your sheet metal part just by few clicks. This simplified representation can be leveraged in the drawing creation process. In an optional further step, you are able to define a combined state of orientation and the flat representation. Once defined, you can easily switch from a bent to a flattened state when modeling a sheet metal part. No additional windshield business object is created or required.